This old red barn has been in our family for generations. Since 2017, we've been connecting consumers to quality local food. We've created a unique culinary experience using locally sourced ingredients that are cooked over hardwood. This year, we want to invite even more people to the table. Partnering with local chefs, we make each evening special by taking ingredients and crafting unforgettable multi-course meals. And we don't horse around with the refreshments either. Our 1950s-era barn overlooks the White Mud Creek, providing a one-of-a-kind setting to enjoy a date night or just a night out with friends. Located just outside of Edmonton, we support local farmers and culinary artists who you'll get a chance to meet and engage. You can always expect a top-tier experience and an unforgettable evening. We pride ourselves on supporting local, and we hope that you will too. Join us at the Old Red Barn by reserving your spot on our website.